Learn how to integrate step-by-step cryptocurrency payments on your Shopify store using Coinbase Commerce. Now you will be able to accept payments in Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, DAI, Ethereum, Litecoin, Dogecoin, and USD Coin. Also, many more will be coming in the future. Just make sure to check out the Coinbase Commerce website for updates. After this tutorial, you'll be able to accept all of the major cryptocurrencies on your Shopify store, like your PayPal, Amazon Payments, or Stripe for Visa and MasterCard payments. Step number 1 will be to go to the Coinbase Commerce website and create your account. Step number 2 is to create the API key and copy the code. Step number 3, go to your Shopify settings and click the payments option. Step 4 is to go down to the alternative payment methods and select the Coinbase Commerce option. Step 5 is to provide your Coinbase Commerce email, then paste the API key, and then finally select the cryptocurrencies that you want to accept. Then click Save and you will be ready to go. Now it's time for the frequently asked questions. Number 1, what are the fees to use Coinbase Commerce? The only thing that you need to pay is the network fee or gas fees to be able to transfer your funds from your wallet. A network fee or gas fee is necessary in order for the miner to process your transaction. These rates might change depending on the amount of transactions on any given day. On the other hand, the withdrawal fees tend to be from $1 to $5. Is there a minimum or max amount to withdraw? The minimum amount is around 10 cents, and for the maximum you can actually withdraw as much as you want. How do you actually refund a customer? It is actually super easy. You go to Coinbase Commerce inside the specific transaction that you want to refund and click Refund Payment. How do you actually convert the cryptocurrency to fiat like the US dollar? You will need to transfer the Coinbase Commerce cryptocurrency to an exchange like Coinbase.com. Right here, you'll be able to trade your cryptocurrency to fiat and then transfer it to your bank. For more information about Coinbase Commerce, go to the FAQ section inside their website. Also, if you're into e-commerce or digital marketing, I recommend that you go to heymeneses.com/toolkit to get all of my free resources to take your store to the next level. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.